subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After several leaks and rumors, Oppo has finally launched the Oppo A55s smartphone in Japan with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A55s 5G supports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 90% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU, and it packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB of onboard storage that can be expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo A55s 5G supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. And it has 8MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. The handset runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11 skin on top, and it houses a large 4000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone comes with IP68 certification for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.1 by 74.7 by 8.2mm, and it weighs around 178 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A55s 5G has been priced in Japan at 32,800 Japanese yen, and it is now up for pre-orders in the country in green and black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from November 26th. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A55s 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.